and today I'll be making pumpkin stir fry with pork. Let's start cooking! Our first ingredient is pumpkin, and we'll cut that up into small slices. Then we will add oil to the heated pan and then pour our pork to the heated pan and stir around until it cooks. And while it cooks, it will turn up into small pieces like this. We will push them to one side and add in our garlic. Then we will stir around and mix it together with the pork. Then we will add our pumpkin with the meat and we will stir them together. Keep on stirring until the pumpkin is softer and looks cooked.
Looks yum yum.
I added some soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of that, tablespoon. I added 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, and mixed them all together.
Ooh!
And this is what it looks like. Very yummy.
Wow!
Bye!